Generations of computers. Generations of computers is divided into 5 generations. First generation is in between 1945 to 1956. Second generation is in between 1956 to 63. Third generation 1964 to 71. Fourth generation computers are in between 1971 to present. Fifth generation computers are in between present and beyond. Then first generation computers. First generation computers is in between 1945 to 1956. Then features of first generation computers are vacuum tubes were used for switching circuit, magnetic drum for memory, and it consumed large amount of electricity. Processing speed was very low. Low-level programming languages were used for the programming. These are all the features of first generation computers. That is, first generation computers were very big computers with a very low processing speed. Then what are all the computers developed in first generation? Mark I. This Mark I is also known as electronic relay calculator. Mark I is called electronic relay calculator. Then the ENIAC. ENIAC full form is important. Electronic numerical integrator and computer. Electronic numerical integrator and computer. This ENIAC is the first electronic computer. This first electronic computer, ENIAC, developed by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert. Then EDVAC is also developed in first generation. EDVAC expansion is electronic discrete variable automatic computer. UNIVAC full form universal automatic computer. These are all the computers developed in first generation. Mark I is known as electronic relay calculator. ENIAC is known as the first electronic computer. Then that ENIAC developed by John Mauchly and Presper Eckert. This full form of ENIAC is electronic numerical integrator and computer. Then EDVAC full form electronic discrete variable automatic computer. UNIVAC universal automatic computer. Then next, second generation computers. Second generation computers is in between 1956 to 1963. Then what are all the features of second generation computers? In first generation computers, vacuum tubes were used, but in second generation computers, transistors were used as the switching circuit. Then magnetic core for main memory, magnetic tape and magnetic disk for secondary memory. Then high-level languages were used. That is, in first generation, low-level programming languages were used, but in second generation, high-level programming languages were used. Then this second generation computers are faster than first generation computer, and it is more powerful than first generation computers, and it is cheaper, smaller in size than first generation computers. These are all the features of second generation computers. Then what are all the computers developed in this second generation computers? Stretch by IBM, Lark. Then two high-level programming languages developed in the second generation are COBOL and Fortran. COBOL full form is Common Business Oriented Language. Fortran is Formula Translation. Two high-level programming languages developed in second generation are COBOL and Fortran. That is, in first generation, vacuum tubes were used. In second generation, transistors were used. First generation, low-level programming languages were used. Second generation, high-level programming languages were used. In third generation, is in between 1964 to 1971. Then features of third generation computers are IC developed in this generation. That is, IC chips were used. IC means integrated circuits. That is, IC means transistors in a silicon chip. Transistors made smaller and placed in a silicon chip is the IC chip, and this IC chip developed by Jack Kilby. Then keyboard monitors used instead of punched cards. Then the main feature of third generation computer is operating system, OS. Operating system developed in this third generation. Then mini computers were introduced. Then these systems were faster, more powerful, cheaper, smaller in size than second generation computers. That is, in first generation vacuum tubes were used. Second generation transistors were used. In third generation IC chips were used for the switching circuits. Then computers developed in this generation are RCA Spectra 70 and IBM 360. Then IC means integrated circuit chip. This IC developed by Jack Kilby. Next, fourth generation computers. Fourth generation computers is in between 1971 to present. Then what are all the features of this fourth generation computers? LSI, VLSI were developed. LSI means large scale integration. VLSI means very large scale integration. Next feature, introduction of microprocessors. Then concept of network and internet came. Next, microcomputers and PC became affordable to common man. Till fourth generation, computers were very costly. Normal human beings cannot affordable that cost and all. But in fourth generation, computers become cheaper and it is affordable to common man also. Then systems were faster, smaller, cheaper than the third generation computers. Then PC is introduced in this fourth generation. That is, PC introduced by IBM in 1981. First PC introduced in 1981 by IBM. That is, main features are this internet networking concepts are came in this fourth generation computers, and LSI, VLSI were developed in this generation. Then fifth generation computers. Fifth generation means present to future. That is, present and beyond. Then features of this fifth generation computers are ULSI technology developed. ULSI means ultra large scale integration. Then development of artificial intelligence, concept of voice recognition and parallel processing in computers, development of robots to assist human beings, availability of very powerful and compact computers at cheaper rates. That is, these are all the features of fifth generation computers. That is, artificial intelligence, robotic concepts, everything came in this fifth generation. Then that is, in first generation vacuum tubes were used. Second generation transistors were used. Third generation IC chips were used. Fourth generation LSI, VLSI introduced. Fifth generation ULSI. ULSI means ultra large scale integration. That is, first generation 1945 to 54. Second generation transistors were used. Third generation IC chips introduced. Fourth generation LSI, VLSI. Fifth generation